Hello. Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great today. Happy Tuesday. Schedule's a little whack right now because I didn't work yesterday, but maybe I'm gonna be doing some fucking studying. Ugh. But I've been procrastinating my homework for a week now, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I know, not exactly exciting. Hopefully, I'm not doxing myself right now. No, I'm not. Good. Just study stream. Probably won't be talking like too much. I'm gonna actually lock in and get this shit done. But it's due tomorrow at like midnight, so I have a day on top of today. I'd like to get a majority of it done right now, just so if I have any questions, I can talk to my professor tomorrow. You know, because we have a quiz that's also due tomorrow. So I'd like to figure this stuff out. Um, don't know how long we'll go for. Don't know anything. I'm just here because might as well might as well hang out and not be completely bored out of my fucking mind while I do this. Um, you know, I don't know. I just thought, why not, right? I'm going to have my notes out. You won't be able to see those because they're actually on paper, but I will be doing my homework. So feel free to hang out. Feel free to say hi. Feel free to, I'd ask for help, but I think I should try to figure it out myself. It's kind of pointless if I just go and ask people on how to do things. So yeah, that's what we'll be up to today. Actually, here's my tab. I'm gonna bring it over here just so I can see it. Actually, the only problem is like this shit is so bright. It's like actually bothering my eyes. So we might not be going for crazy amounts of time, but this is fucking what is this, exponents? Yeah, it's been like a while since I've done math, like years maybe. Like to this math that is. I took a break from school because I was struggling and just had a lot going on. But that's what we'll be working on today. So we're doing exponents. Get negative 6x to the 13th power and y to the 7th over 3x to the 4th power, y to the 2nd power. Right. Well, we take out of this. I think this it's just to simplify with positive exponents. So look at my notes. This one's There's a video I will pull up actually, so maybe it can help me a little bit. You won't be able to see it, but that's okay. I don't know if it's allowed. This stuff's really allowed to be shown. I mean, wow, it's loud as hell. Quotient rule. Okay, beta to the n power over beta to the n power is equal to b to the m minus n power, but b does not equal 0. Not equal 0. So, simplifying it based on just that information right there. Okay, right. So when it's a fraction like this, it's subtraction. But when it's multiplication, it's addition. Is what it seems like. So seems like this is actually the negative 6x to the 13th y to the 7th minus 3x to the 4th y to the 2nd. That is simplified a little bit. But if that's minus, then would this not cancel out? So it would be negative 6x or 6x to the 13th y to the 7th plus 3x to the 4th y to the 2nd. All right, the quotient rule out. Let me look at my notes. my calculator not working? 7 divided by 3. 9, right? Yeah, not that much. So these are like variables. So let's see if this is what I'm doing. Right. So -6 divided by 3 is -2. I'm going to use positive exponents only. Am I doing that right? Let me just think this one out real quick. Maybe I should write this down. Just trying to do it on the calculator. It's gonna be easier if I have it written out, in my opinion. So -6x 13th y to the 7th over 3x 4th y to the 2nd. So if that's the case, then would it be? Oh, you know what? Actually, did I write this one on my notebook? Sorry, guys. I just, I'm not apologizing. This is my stream, my study stream. I just need to find out where this first notes are. This example that I did in the my notebook. 37. That's not it. Did I not write this down? It'd be kind of stupid of me if I didn't write this down. I missed a class, right? I forgot. Doesn't help. Did 3 and 4 in packet. And 4. Right, Monday was the day I wasn't there. Not 3 and 4. This is the start. Oh, or did we come back? I don't remember. Let's jump around. Let's jump around. Let's see if I can find it. 27x. Fortunately, I was giving this notebook to my mother, and I realized it seems like my brother wrote it a little bit, like when he was younger, which is kind of funny. Has some doodles and stuff in it. Seem to find where I wrote this. Honestly, a little unfortunate. And that's why you need to write your notes down now, effectively. You know. Yeah, let's just try to do it instead of like second guessing. So those are like variable, or I don't even know, like variables, whatever it's considered. Is it exponent? So there's no ego. So -2x. It says use positive exponents. Sorry, my mistake. Doesn't matter about the actual other stuff, I think. -2x. And then since these variables are like x and x, we can subtract them since it's division. So 13 minus 4 is 9. We have 2x to the 9th power. And then we have 2x to the 9th power. And then y, we just do the same thing. And then y to the 5th. Let's see if that's correct. -2x to the 9th. And then y to the 5th. Or y to the 5th. Is that right? Hey, let's go. Okay, we got one, baby. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. And is right. Hell yeah. Alright, 6. Simplify the given exponential expression. Is this different from this one? No. Same. This one should just be simpler, correct? Because it's 6 minus -5, which would be 6 to the 11th, right? So x to the 11th. Nice. Hey, that's 2 in a row, baby. Alright, so these are in brackets here. The negative this becomes negative 3x over, or negative 3 over x to the third power. So we have to set them both to 3, I believe. Let me write this down. Negative 3x parentheses to the third. We have to what's the cut word? Distribute the 3 exponent to them each, I believe. So it should be negative 3 to the third over x to the third, I think. So let's do negative 3 to the third. On my calculator. Gives me negative 27 over x to the third. I don't think that's correct, though. But still. Because technically, I think there's like technically an x here. No? Or is it, there's technically a 1 here. One of those two. Let me look at the video real quick. Oh, why is the volume max every time? Yeah, this looks like an example that's similar. Yep. Where's the numerator? Negative 2 or negative 3. The fifth. Okay, I did that right. They write this out differently than the way I learned it. Don't appreciate that. Correct. Oh. Is that it? Oh, okay. It is right? Is it negative 27 over x to the third? Oh, okay. That's simple. Alright. Nice. Oh. That is correct. Good. Alright, 35x to the third, y to the fourth. No, we're just continuing to do what we've been doing, I guess. The problem is 35 is smaller than 42. Let's just write it out. Or I think about it too hard. I think it's always good to write it out on paper because looking at a screen and just doing it all in your head can get really confusing. Not that my handwriting is good, but it doesn't matter. You guys don't have to see my handwriting. Y to the negative fifth. Yeah, I procrastinated on this for a good bit. I've known I had homework for like the past, well, since class started basically. And so it's a couple bits of homework. And I need to, I'm not saying I need to like rush, because, you know, I don't have anything today. Today can be a work day, but um, I do have a movie I want to watch later with the bestie, but that's not for another at least 2 hours minimum. So we'll be able to stream anyway. 2 hours and a half, honestly. They sounded pretty tired, so I don't blame them if they didn't want to watch it anyway. And I have off tomorrow, so like I said, if I don't get everything done here, it's not the end of the world. I'll probably just be working on it the rest of the day, though, depending how fast I move through it and how distracted I get. That is, you know. All right, so 35x to the third, y to the fourth over 42x to the sixth, y to the negative fifth. That's a negative exponent. Okay, use positive exponents only use integers or fractions for any number in the expression. Okay. Well, let's just like do this instead of like 20 minus 35 minus 42 would put us at negative 7. So it's negative 7 x to the negative 3. This is 3 minus 6. X to the negative third. Y to the 4 minus negative 5. It's 9. Y to the ninth. This use positive exponents only, though, is my problem. So what do I do with that, then? Let's pull up the video again. Maybe I'm missing something. Give me an example. Give me a different video. Simplifying exponential expression. Oh, they just are still now. Please just give me an example. This isn't it. Simplify the exponential expression. Okay. Why is there not an example for this? Why are they so loud? Okay, here's an example that has a negative exponent. Uh, what are they doing? I guess it's not that weird, I guess. But they're just writing it differently than I am. Okay, so get the negative here. Oh, wait, what? Oh, they just put it under, so it becomes 7x over x to the third. 7x y to the ninth over x to the third? Is that it? 7x, I don't know. 7x y to the ninth. X to the third? That doesn't sound right, honestly, at all. Yeah, okay, so simplify any factor of the negative exponent. Simplify the expression. First group factors at the same base. Uh huh. Subtract the exponents. Simplify any factor of the negative exponent. And using the fact that if any number other than 0, n is a natural number, then b to the negative n is equal to 1. Yeah, I thought that. It's not it. Let's try this again. Let's look at the way they did it on their video. Okay, so cross that out for now. So they separate it. So 35x to the third. So it's 35 over 42 times x to the third over x to the sixth. Then we get y to the fourth over y to the negative 5. So yeah, 35. Oh wait, that's subtract and not divide. Oopsie. Shit. That's the thing though. On theirs, they have 100 over 20. I have a 35 over 42. Obviously, you can't divide 35 by 42 without getting decimal. I think 0.83 repeating is not what I want right now. 5/6, is that what you want? I don't know. Guess we can try it, but I don't think it's right. Oh. This doesn't seem right. I'm confused. Uh, I should simplify the exponential expression. Do I have this written down or what? Ugh, I got hair in my mouth. Simplifying exponential expression right here. So in this example, 5x over y to the fourth to the negative second power. Tribute, yeah. Y to the y to the negative 2 is 9 and 8. Or fucking trying to say here. No, it's negative 4 to the 6. Is 7. Holy shit, I can't math. Negative 4 to the, no. Second. The fuck? Yeah, it's 4. What am I doing? It's 4 to the negative second. Why is it giving me 0.0625? Point two. What? What in the fuck? Uh, I'm thinking I'm getting a little confused. Doesn't help my nuts suck. Okay, he flips it, and so hold on. I see. They flip it, so it's positive now. Is that what we're supposed to do here? Are we supposed to flip it? Let's try that. So since that's negative, we swap it. We flip it. So 42 comes to the top. So 42 x to the 6, y to the 5th because it's flipped, over 35x third. 35x the third, y to the 4th. So now we flipped it. So it's like 7. No, why am I doing 7? It's division. Right? I mean, 42 doesn't divide by 35. I hate examples because they don't fucking help you understand something that you have that comes up. Oh man, like I have one example here and it just does not help me. I don't. What is the point of it? I never understand. Yeah, get math. Ugh. Doesn't make sense. This the basic shit, and if I can't understand this, then I'm fucked. Let's just try writing it out like this. Yeah. Third y to that doesn't seem right either. I don't know, I guess. That's exclamation point, not a one. Yeah, I just fucking don't know. Don't fucking know. Need a better example. Examples don't help me. Is there a way I can like ask for an example? I swear there used to be. Need to simplify an exponential expression. Oh sure. Hmm. Man, I'm a dumbass. Okay. This. Uh. I. What if it's not a perfect simple whatever it's called? If it can't be divided, then it would show me that example. What if it can't be divided? Don't show me an example related to this question. Don't know. Just watch this video, but then it doesn't help me. Lost my tab. No, shit. Okay, stop talking, Melissa. I need to focus. Gonna be a long day. Yeah. If necessary, addiction versus your powers as one e to the is equal. That's the negative exponent, right? Over one. Or one over it. Okay. I minus so for one. Yeah, okay. So you know, here's with the easiest examples that don't help you understand the hard question. Because I cannot, I cannot do this. See what I'm talking? Like, it's 35 over 42. It's 35, fucking 35 over 42. Well, obviously you can't divide 35 into 42. So what the fuck do you want me to do there? I don't know what they want from me there. I mean to simplify it. I cannot. I don't know how you expect me to. Does it become 30 is it fucking 35 over 42? Is it, oh my fucking god, I can't talk. Annoyed. I don't know, man. I don't get it. I'm gonna rewrite it. Maybe I'll understand it if I rewrite it again. 35. It's the third out of the fourth. Over 42. X to the sixth. Part to the negative fifth. Like the exponent stuff's easy, but it's, I don't know what they want me to do on this part. They don't want a fucking decimal, right? That's just gonna look bad. Okay, let's just do the exponent part first. So it's x to the third minus x to the sixth. 3 minus x. That's negative 3. Uh-huh. So x to the negative third. And it's, fucking part of the fourth over negative 5. So 4 minus negative 5. 9. So y to the ninth. Uh-huh. What about they just want me to do a decimal? .83. That's just not right. Positive exponents only. Use integers or fractions for any numbers in the expression. Don't have that information. Gonna fucking look it up on Google. Like, not the answer, but what to do when simplifying exponential expressions. Top is larger than bottom. Nope, that doesn't help me. Top x1 is larger than the bottom. Division at the bottom x1. No, okay. Not the exponent though. I don't need the exponent. I need the fucking number here. I need this base number or whatever it's called. Like if I put in 0.83, 0.83 x to the negative, no, because negative 3, I need a positive exponent. I don't know what they want. Like, that ain't right. What the fuck? Why don't I? Holy shit. What is wrong with my keyboard? Put in the thing I want. I'm begging you. Yeah, correct answer. 5y. You did with the 5 over 6. What? You asshole. Alright, that's my fault. That's my fault. And then they put the -3 on the bottom. I'm trying to process this. Over 6. So they leave the extra 3 on the bottom though. That's stupid. It was 3 minus 6, right? Which is -3. They don't want negative exponents, so maybe on the bottom. Whatever. Try a new one. That's fine. You know, understand this one better. See this one. 40 x to the 4th, y to the 4th, over 15 x to the 6th minus, or y to the -6. So 40 divided by 15, whatever that number is, and change it to a fraction. That's it. And that's now I don't even know what the fuck. What am I even looking at here? Alright, so it's like 8/3, right? Whenever you simplify it, I might be completely wrong as well. So x to the -2, y to the 10. And if I do it like they tell me before, 8/3, 8y to the 10th over 3x to the 2nd. 8 y to the 10th over 3x to the 2nd. It is. I took 5 out of each of these to simplify this because it doesn't divide into it. So it becomes, take 5 out of it. This 5 goes into this 3 times. This goes into 8 times. And they just plop the. Why do they though? I don't see. I want to understand it. Why? Why do they do that? Why does the negative just stay on the bottom? And oh, I don't know, man. And that's frustrating. Very frustrating. I have enough space on my desk really. Do all that shit, honestly. Whatever. 42 x to the 3rd, y and over 35 x. Oh, it's like 4. See, 42 can't divide by 3. Yeah, so we simplify. We can go into these. 15, 7? 7? 7, right? So it's 42 minus 6 because 6. Oh, shit, hold on. Okay. Divided by 7, 6. 5 divided by 7. 6/5? 5. Got 3 minus 5. X to the -2. Y to the Oh, that's not. Yes, one of these. Okay, and then since like we did before, it's 6 y to the 8th over 5x to the second. Right? This 6 y to the 8th over 5x to the second. Y to. All right. Your item will open a new. No, I just dropped my your item. Open a new window. What is that? What is this supposed to do? I don't. Okay. Guess it's just like, hey, read this before you do this, basically. Okay. The product rule for exponent states that b to the m times b to the n would be. Would that not be b to the mn? Times b plus. Oh, right. Sorry. No. That's my fault. Same base. You add the exponents. Okay. No. Yeah. Let's do that again. Yeah, it's because multiplication is addition, and then division is subtraction. Yes, I do remember that. So if b does not equal 0, then b to the 0 is. Well, if b to the 0 was. It's not equal 0. Or if b does not equal 0, that would mean b could be anything but 0. So it's. Um. Um. Uh, Oh, okay. It's saying if b is not 0. So if b is any number to the 0 power, it would just be 1, right? Yeah, I think it's 1. The exponent rule states that any real number, yeah, any real number be other than, yeah. So it's not 0 to the 0 power. It's 1. And the exponent rule states that b to the negative n equals blah, and b does not equal 0. Be negative 1. It'd be 1 over b, right? Right, because it's just like before. You put the 1 over to make it positive. Because any negative number is basically 1 over that number, right? Determine whether the statement is true about 4 to the negative 5th is equal to negative 4 to the 5th. That's definitely not true. Negative exponents in denominators can be evaluated using 1 over b to the negative n. Negative exponents in denominators can be evaluated. Okay, using 1 over b to the negative n is equal to b to the n. Oh, hey, Lily. What's up? Yeah, math stuff. I know. You, right? I have to do my homework, and I might as well. I might as well stream it, and I hope people distract me from how boring and miserable it is, right? But I hope you're doing good. Good to hear from you. In a minute. How's the homework going? Well, I've gotten through 10 questions of I don't even know how many. I mean, like, there's only 11 on this homework, but like, I have like 6 or 7 homeworks, so I was a little stumped on the third question, honestly. I was like, or not third, one of these two. Four. This one was bothering me because of how it was set up, and I didn't really understand what I was looking at. But then it swapped because I got it wrong. It swapped it to a new one. Let me try again, and that one I understood a little better, but still a little frustrating for sure. I'm not good at math at all, in the slightest. I'm really slow when it comes to that. But we're making progress. I'm not. I'm like sort of understanding it, and I want to understand it so I can actually, get it right on a test. Doesn't matter if I do my homework if my tests are trash. Got 1 over 2 to the negative 7th equal to 2 to the 7th. That is correct. Big progress. Thank you. All right, so I think we're done with this homework then. Awesome. So we'll go to the next one. Okay. My score is 41%. What do you mean? Hit all of them. Because it's due to mine. I'm confused. Why does it say I got a 41%? 5 points out of 12? They're all done. Huh? I don't understand. Doesn't make any sense to me. I'm gonna take a picture of that. It's confusing. I'll have to message my professor about that. Why on earth would it say it's? Why would it be 41% if I got nothing wrong? It says no partial credit, and I got all 11 correct. Unless I have to do the next. Yeah, this is the review. Oh, it says 100%. Oh, weird. It's confusing. I gotta get back to like wherever I was because I'm a little lost now. Okay, that was the review. Does that not actually give me any points? I don't know, man. I have no idea. How do I get to my actual homework, please? It signed me out? What the flip? I'm so lost. Did I exit out of my tab? Not realizing? Alright, sorry, gang. It like kicked me out for some reason there. I don't know why. Back to my math work. It's already been 50 minutes. Holy crap. I'm pretty slow. Alright, yeah, we got that. Oh, you know what? Probably says that percent because I opened my homework and then I closed it and like I didn't actually like do anything on it. That was the other thing. Okay, all right. Sorry. Here is homework 1. That was a review for homework 1 before I started it, but I think it's still graded. I hope. You think? I had to bring it up first because it each new window I have to bring it back up. Let me make sure that's visible. All right, good. The little it like got stretched out. I don't know why it got stretched out like that. Oh, I know why. Cause I okay. So I should a little bit. Oh, it is doxing me currently. Maybe don't do that. Sorry, guys. So funky. I had a thing that was hiding information. Yes. For some reason it decided to change its mind. Okay, there we go. Not doxing anymore. Awesome. Thanks for not that. LBS, could you doing that? That'd be awesome. All right, good enough. Good enough. I don't know why I did that. Very weird. Let's bring this back up. All right. Evaluate the following exponential expression. Okay. I'm evaluating it. Okay. So is it 10 times 4? Is it 40? Or no? At the b to the power, the nth power b. Hold on, real quick. I don't know the question. All right. I'm gonna go to the things on this. I don't want to make sure I have another guess before I just go willy nilly. That's stupid. What happened to my tab? It's just gone. I swear this like site that I use for schoolwork, it like closes itself half the time, and I don't know why. Very frustrating. Yes, I am having trouble opening my assignment. Thanks. Okay. Just wanted to see if my freaking homework has unlimited Okay. I have unlimited attempts. Okay. So I need to know. Thank you. Okay, yeah. So that's not it. Let's pull up the old notes. So we're evaluating the following exponential expression. Where is that? That's simplifying exponential expressions, whereas evaluating them. Evaluate. Oh, I didn't go over this. Where is it? Where are you? I'll just simplify, but nothing in evaluating. You know, the evaluating. This might be what I missed, unfortunately, in class. I was sick that one day. Please just give me an answer to what I'm doing. All right, do an example. Evaluate this. Note that the given expression has the exponential expression of form b to the n. Okay, so the nth power of b to the n is a product of n factors of b. Fuck am I looking at? As a product. Okay, right at that. Yeah, okay. Am I just stupid? Did I do the simple math wrong? Maybe I just did it. It's 5 times 5. Oh, I am just stupid. What am I doing? I added them. It's 25 times 4. Oopsie. That was a little embarrassing. Literally the simplest shit ever. Way to go. Okay, so this would be -4 to the third. So it's -4, -4, -4, which is -64. Okay. I had to think on that one, apparently. Same as before, it's saying 7 times -7, which is 49. I know I'm like getting to these slow, but I'm putting it in the calculator just to double check I'm doing them right. You know, shit, I didn't read that. Huh? Wait, why was that wrong? Evaluate the expression. Is that not what is it not -7 to the times -7? Was that not 49? I need to see what it said. -7 to the second means that the factor is repeated 2 times. By -7. In other words, -7 is not part of the base. I don't understand. It's just like the base of the expression is 6. Base of the expression, -6 to the second is 6. Exponent is 2. Expression can be evaluated first by taking the negative of the result. No, taking the negative sign is not part of the base. Oh, so you're just skipping the. You're not skipping it. You're just like ignoring it until the end. So it's -49 then. Huh. Got you. Okay. Okay. Where's my calculator? 10 to the 0. Would that not be 1? 1? Fuck. I did. Oh, come on. I had it. I had it. You saw. I just fucking clicked too fast. This is also one then, is it not? Just wanted to go back to looking at it. Okay, wait, that one's one. This time, just 2 to the 0. Huh. So it's -1. I'm sorry, guys. I know I look like a dumbass, but I gotta learn somehow. Alright, so it's 3 to the -2nd. How does that work then? -3 then? Negative exponent. Yes. So it's actually number other than 0 and is a to that. So it's 1 over 3 to the second. So 1 over 9? Nice. That's the exponential expression. So let's do it first and then we'll multiply them. So 6 to the second. Got 36. 6 to the third. 16. 36 times 216 then is 7,776. Nice. Okay, so PEMDAS or PEMDAS, yeah. We do what's in the parentheses first. So 4 to the 4th is 256. 256 to the third is a very big number. I don't know if that's correct. Put in 1, 6, 7, 7, 7, 2, 6. Yes, awesome. Okay, we got parentheses. So 5 to the 11th. Oh my goodness. 4, 8, 8, 2, 8, 5 over 5, 6. That number 15625. Because it's not simplified. Simplify your answer. Yeah, okay. 88285 divided by 15. 3,125. Yeah, okay. I should have known that was gonna yell at me if I didn't simplify it. Okay. Question 10, 9 to the second. So like before, it's actually 1 over 9 to the second. So 1 over 81. Excuse me, 1 over 81. Should probably put this 1 times 9 is over 9. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, xy to the negative 7th. Would this not be x over y to the negative 7th? Or y to the 7th? Okay, we're getting it. Getting it. I know I said this is the RS to the 0. I even have multiplication on this. 8. I don't know. If B is any real number, oh yes. So it's actually it's 1 s to the 8th. This is equal to the correct answer, not the correct form. One over s to the 8th. Oh, we're just ignoring the 1, I guess, even though my answer is right. Fine. So it's just y to the 9th, then, is it not? Okay, whatever. Fuck me. Fuck me. X to the 6th, x to the 8th. Is it not just this now? They love to say, although your cancer is equal. Oh, hold on. We're adding them. Duh. It's x to the 14th. Duh. I was going a little too fast. I am good. X to the negative 2 times that. So x to the negative 2 is actually 1 over x to the second. But since we're adding them, hold on, actually. We're adding them, negative 2 plus. So it's just x to the 4. X to the 4th. Yes, it is. Oh, I got 2. Using for my own good. Good, parentheses again. So this is, I gotta remember this. It's when you're setting in another exponent to a power. This one I'm not actually 100% sure. Equals that. Oh, that's simple. X to the, or it's probably gonna tell me. Probably gonna tell me it's like, although yeah, although it's blah 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 blah. Let me just read after the first. Okay. Oh, and then you just do it. Okay, that's when you multiply them. I see. I even wrote multiplication. Oh. Fucking. Oh, I gotta remember my times table. It's been so long. 84. The 84th. Same as before. It's negative 4 times 9. Six. So it's 1 over X to the 36. Oh, yeah. Nice. On a roll, baby. Oh, simplify this. Okay. So, not just 7 - 2, so it's part of the ninth. Nice, nice, nice. Second of x -7. So, same as before, we're just subtracting 2 minus -7. Which is 9. X to the 9. This one, gotcha. We gotta distribute, so it's 4 the second, which is 16. 6. What am I typing? 16 y to the 12th. Okay. Heck yeah. We have the negative here, which becomes -3 over x third. Gonna distribute that, so -3 to the third. 27, -27. Okay, and since we're still distributing to this, so it's x to the third. And there, so we have what? 1 over 27x third. Question is right now. Power right. E is a non-zero. If I just kept the 27 up top. Or actually, x to the third over 27. Wait, we're keeping the negative? Why though? Just trying. Never. Go on. Same as before. I have to turn. Turn. Negative 8. Okay. So we have 8. Or, no. Negative over y to the third. Yeah, I think so. Oh, I appreciate you guys being here though. It really means a lot. I hate math so much, you know. And it helps. You know, we're not really saying much, you know, it's good to have vibe, you know. It really is. I just realized something that's tilting me though is my tab was a little not completely synced up. There you go. Just drink. By the way, I'm gonna stretch. You know, I'll stretch real quick. Actually, Definitely got a lot to go though, which is a little sad. But it's my own fault because I procrastinated so long. But at least I didn't procrastinate till tomorrow, at least when it's due tomorrow. So I'm screwing myself, but honestly, I needed to get this done anyway. So it's my own fault. All right. So we got this. I want to write this one. Therefore, x third y to the third, and then all that to the fourth power. So we have to distribute fourth power to all of these. So -4 to the fourth, 256, 256, x to the 3 times 4, to the 12th, y, same, y to the 12th. Got it? 6, 56, x to the 12th, y to the 12th. Fantastic. And fucking tastic. Nice. We got two parentheses done now, so we'll just do them separately. Well, actually, there's multiplying them, right? Or we're combining like terms like that. This turns into like 8x. Yeah, I might be wrong. 3x. Ninth. That's the exponent's in the parentheses, so we're not to shoot x to the second. I think that's wrote it out. It'd just be 3x to the ninth times 5x to the second. You just combine like terms. 8x to the 10th. Is that how it is? Product rule. Okay. And not do. My system. 15x to the level? No, not 115, you dumbass. So we multiplied those. Right, obviously we multiplied those. So two parentheses next to each other. But we were adding those two. Alright, that was my own slip up. Now this looks harder, but it's just a lot more numbers. It's all. So basically, it's -4 times -8. It is 32. X to the 15th. Then we have the y, which is 1 and 7. So y to the 8th. X. X to the 8th over 3x to the 4th. So, we're dividing here then. 6 divided by 3, 2. And then we're subtracting because it's division, right? So, 8th, 4th, 2x to the 4th. Bueno. Bingo bango. Same image before. Vision. -3. -3. X7. X7th. Get y to the second. Oh, hold on. Okay, we're almost done with this. This homework specifically. Same as before. There's no X on the bottom. There's no Y. So we gotta distribute. We gotta distribute. We distribute. In X. I can Y. All to the -3rd. So remember what the negative exponents, we do what exactly? Was like kidding. I mean like an example before I get confused. Use the properties of the exponents. Yeah, distribute it. Okay, yeah, like so. Swap it. Alright, let me just write it up then. My issue. So we put everything to that third. So 8x or 8 to the -3rd x to x squared to the third is sorry. Um we take the square the 2 and then multiply it by 3 or by -3. 6. It's the -6. And then 6. The y also gets it, so it's y to the -3rd. Does it y to the third over x to the third x6, and then x to the third is x 112. It's y to the third over 512 x to the 6. Y to the third over 512 x to the 6. Hey, okay. That one took a little longer, but we got it. We're done with that homework. Awesome. 100 points. Good. Minus. Put it again, please. Now it's not opening. I don't know. It's very funky. I'm telling you. Every time I do it, it like just freaks out. Those are very slow. I don't know why I got less points on that one since it was due September 3rd, but okay. And it was also a review. Very strange. Let's go to our assignments again. Or no, Pearson. Sorry, that's what I meant to go to. Pearson. Oh, didn't like that apparently. Can I go through here? Let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more things to do. Damn. Excuse me. Open up a new tab. Make sure it is properly what's it called? Edit real quick. It's okay if I keep it like that, actually. The top part might be cut off a little bit, but honestly, you guys don't really need to see it. Honestly, you don't really need to see anything. I just have it up so you guys can see what the fuck I'm talking about. To be completely honest with you. I look like a crazy person just talking to myself. I mean, I am just talking to myself, but you know, for content. Some good progress though. I think soon I will take like I think after this one I'll take a quick bathroom break though. All right, we got articles and rational exponents review section. Gotcha. Okay. Use the question rule to simplify the following expression. Assume that x is greater than 0. So, got the square. How do you do this? You know, I would click on the video before I try to figure it out myself. Why would I not? The way they explain these things is so extra and confusing for no reason. Okay, so let's see if we can simplify first. Okay, see if we can simplify. So, square root of 147. I know that. I don't, so I'm going to use my calculator. 47 is not a perfect square, so cool. Hey, Chaco, congrats at first. Hope you're doing well. Yes, math, I know. How disgusting. Wait, come back, come back. No, trust me, I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have to. I feel that. Okay, so I cannot perfect square 147. I don't know what the fuck they want me to do there. Okay, so let's just write it how they have it. So, at 147, x to the third over square root of 3x. Just put the square root over that. So that turns into, from what it looks like on their example, Uh, you hold my calculator. Oh, thank you so much, Shaka. I'm trying. That's for sure. Yeah, very slowly making our way through it. That's 75 from that though. Confused by that. What? The flip? That doesn't make sense. Let's say Kauji has economics. Really? Freaking careers economics. It fucking seems like it. Oh, hold on. Did they take the 150 and then divide it by 2? They did. I see. So we take the 147 divided by 3, gives us 49. Okay. And then since we're subtracting, sort of, it's the x to the third over x. So it's actually 59 x squared. Yes. Square root of 59 over x squared. Square root of 59 is not a good number. Okay, where they go? Squared. Okay. So it's 59 x squared. Okay. How did they do that? Is 75 a perfect square? Is that way? No. Where'd they get that from? Hmm. Um, so they factor what they get. So right now, 25 times 75. Okay. Well, how would I know how to do that, buddy? Okay. What the fuck? These examples suck ass. Just saying. 59 squared. So what to what? Get 59 by 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. 59 divided by 6 divided by 7. 9 divided by 8. I don't know what then. I don't know what they want from me. The fuck do you want? Oh. I have no idea. They are confusing. Okay. Okay. I understand that. Factor the radicand. Square root. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, you assholes? What the fuck do you mean? I lied. I'm actually gonna take my break now. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Out my dog. Hopefully, I can understand better now. Okay, okay. Here's my drink. I need a drink. Please hydrate everyone. Right, this question. Where did they get that number from? I'm so confused. Is it the 3? No, because if it was the exponent, it would be multiplying by itself. Oh, I don't know what happens to that 3 that they... Well, no, I know what happens to the 3. Never mind. Sorry. So they take that out. Hmm. Well, I got 59. Is that just right? Am I just overthinking this? Is it just 59 x to the squared? No, right? Just remove the square roots. That's fine. I can bring the root sign. Here. Like, obviously, there's no square root of 59. Am I even using the right symbol? I'm confused. No example button here. It's homework. Home. 10 square though. 47 divided by 3. 49. Well, that probably why I'm fucking 49, not 59. What's the square root of 49? Which is 7. 7x squared. In that case, it's the 7x um 7x what? That hit 3. I don't know. They have a 3 in this example, and I don't know where they get it from. Doesn't make any sense to me. I'm just not sure where they pull that number from. Like I have like an idea of where they pull the number from, but it doesn't make sense why it's here. I guess. Okay, they take the number out. They take the 3 out of that. I guess. Is it not a perfect square? They have that left over. But in my case, I can just square it, so it's just 7x, right? Oh my god, I was just overthinking it. Fuck me. Okay, got it. Barely. Ay, caramba. Track the following terms if possible. Okay. So we have to do what we did before, I think. So 17 is not going to square. So. Oh. This one's got me puzzled for real, for real. Random tracks. Okay. They did not talk. They're so loud and confuse me with their words when I look at this. So we got this. 8 plus 9. Okay, so we take these two numbers out. So it's 3. I mean, I guess it is saying subtract and add. So it's instead of 8. Oh. 3 minus 7. Take outside of said thing. Then it becomes 17x. 17x, so 17x squared. It cancels out, does it not? Excuse me. Okay, so let's just do this. Right. 7 is -1. -4 square root of 17x. Yes. Rationalize the gotcha. You guys watch the new Digital Circus episode or any of the Digital Circus? I have been pretty obsessed. I mean, I love the Digital Circus, but I've recently rewatched like the newest 3 episodes, and they were really good. I really love this character. Excited for the next one, honestly. Omni's obviously my favorite character. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. But honestly, I don't think any of them I really hate. I thought I hated Jax, but he's gotten some growth as a character. He's more interesting than just the asshole character. I've never been a big fan of the characters who are just assholes and people love them for some reason. But he's gotten some growth. So that is nice. Example, give me something that's actually relevant. All right. Get this. To rationalize. All right. Right. So take 11 over 2 plus 17 square root of 17. Let me multiply it by that, I guess. There's a reason for that. I just don't remember why, but by or now I'm running their fucking numbers, not my numbers. Shit. The 2 minus 7 over 2 minus 17. Sorry, 2 minus 17, 2 minus 7. 17. We cross out, right? So we cross out that and that. So we get 11 over 2 square root of. Why did I do that? I just got exactly what I had. Did I not? What am I doing? Hold on, I'm being dumb. What in the fuck are they doing? Excuse me, what the hell? Okay, they get that. So it's 11. And then, 2 square root of 17 over do 2 squared minus the square root, or minus the square root of 17 to the second power. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So we distribute it. 11 and 2 is 22. 22 minus into the square root. Okay, 11 square root of 17 over. Let me do that to the second. 4 minus what do I do here? Square root of, we know that. Do here. It cancels out. Why? Where does the 8 go? Hmm. Oh, they write this so confusingly, man. I'm like having trouble figuring out like where they went and what they did. All clumped up. Yeah, it's -5. Negative. No, shit. It's negative the square root of 5 to the second power, which is -5. Okay, so what do? We do the same thing basically. So it's negative square root of 17 to the second. Just -17. Okay, so we get 4 minus 17. Or 4 minus -17. It's 21. 21. 22 minus 11. That's 17. Is that it? Twenty-two. 22. 11. 17. 21. Oh, mother. I'll be right back. Somebody's calling my name. This one is annoying me because it's just like a lot of shit. I don't really know. I don't know. The way the example they show me is fucking confusing. Not helping me. It's just making me more confused. Like, can they just give me the example? Like the fucking what's the word? Oh, this is what I want. Where'd it go? I lost. Shit. Because no. Shit. Okay. I don't know what the fuck they're telling me right now. Just I didn't get to look at what the hell they said, so I can't fucking. Oof. Textbook is gonna help me. I already know it. Maybe a lot of fucking examples, which isn't gonna help me. This is why I don't buy textbooks. Because what the fuck does this do for me? It gives me extra stuff. Like I'm not. I'm not getting help with this rant. It's just a wall of text. It doesn't help me. Not help me at all. Let me listen to this example that she says. I guess. Okay. Weird. 2 squared minus square root of 17 over 2. Okay. $32 minus. Mine is 22. 22 minus. Where do they get the 8 to 5? What? Where do they get that? I don't understand. The 8 and the 4. The 8 and the 4. Dude, yes. Oh, it's because you distribute, right? So it's 22 minus 11, 17, whatever, or whatever. And then the dash is 4 minus, wait, 4 minus square root 17 to the second, which is just 17. 4 minus 17. Uh-huh. And then if we just do 4 minus 7. Fuck, I got a pen on my finger. Damn it. Um, 4 minus 17, negative 13. 17 on the bottom. Oh. Oh, you go too fast. I can't fucking see it. Oh, go back, you fucking asshole. Why is there not a pause with the spacebar? The thing is, 4 minus 17 is negative. What the fuck do you want from me there? I can't have a negative in the denominator. So what the fuck? Do I just swap it? Does it become 13 over 22 minus 11 over 17? I don't know. I don't know. It's so frustrating. Doesn't make sense. 13 over 22 minus 11, 17. Ugh. Oh my god, I want to bang my head against the wall. What the fuck? This and then this doesn't help me at all. That's fucking worthless information. Because it doesn't answer the part that I'm not understanding. It just says, do this. Radical, and then they use all these big ass words that fucking don't help. Just are big words that confuse me more. Radical expressions are the sum and the difference of the same two terms. Yeah. Okay, they're called conjugates. Great. Good for you. I didn't know that. Good for you. That helps me. Sure. For example, and then you can't even. Oh, you can. Okay. Like, example rules. Yeah, but then it's like the simplest thing ever they show you. Not this. I use to rationalize the number because the product of such a pair contains no radicals. Rationalize the number multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate. Okay, so that's what we did with the out of my way so I can. That's what we did with the 2 plus the square root of 17. We multiply it by 2 minus square root of 17 over 2 minus square root of 17. But like, oh man, I don't know. Like I can write it like, get it wrong. Then I have to rewrite the whole. Then I'm just gonna get a new problem, and it's gonna have to take up all the space again. I think it's 22 minus 11 over 17 over. Oh, just give me the. Holy shit. Delete. Piss me off. 22 minus 11. 17. Negative 13. But that's not right. I know it's not right, but. That's right? But that's a negative in the denominator. I don't get it. I don't get it. Doesn't make sense to me. Oh, fuck you for this fucking question right here. The fuck am I looking at, man? Okay, they're roll 5 cube, whatever this is called. I don't know. Like cube root of I don't even know what that's called. They'll have the 5 on the outside. To the 5th power, whatever that means. So, I mean, it's never as simple as just putting in 5 cube root. Eyes are getting bothered because this is so freaking bright. Stupid ass page, just white as hell. Cube root 64 or whatever. This. Oh, yeah, see that doesn't fucking work. So I don't know. What the point of this? These calculators do these things. Those numbers are just not fucking existent. They're just decimals. That doesn't do anything for me. I don't know. That's just like video again. Thing I think of is like we do the 46, the 5 foot, whatever. I'll just do the video before I confuse myself. Finding the nth roots of perfect nth power as well. Yeah, if n is odd, then the nth power, or root of a to the nth is equal to a. Evens. What? See, like, what is this? This is not helping me. These are just words you're saying. They're so not helpful. These examples are not what I'm looking for. I had to go through like halfway through the video to find something that even looks like what I'm doing at the moment. And then it's like, simplify this and just figure it out. No, that doesn't help. I didn't choose any option, asshole, but okay. Oh my. Oh, and then they show you the wrong answer. What the fuck? Why is there a question mark in there? Why is there a question mark in my answer? Okay, we take that is equal to that. What? In the fuck am I looking? What am I looking at? Huh? What in the fuck? Nah, I literally, I have no idea what they're even showing me in this video. That is so confusing. I'm skipping it. Coming back to that shit, because what the fuck? Properties of exponents. Awesome. God, I hate math so much. Actually, I hate that I have to do this shit. This is so miserable. I'm just banging my head against the wall. And it's not even like this is like hard stuff to them. This is the starter stuff. Apparently, I'm supposed to know this already. My bad. Sorry, I haven't been in math in 2 years. That's what pisses me off. Like, I'm supposed to know this stuff before the class, but why do I have to do more work to even start the class? Because I didn't learn any of this in any of my other math classes. This is just stuff they expect you to know from high school. Sorry to say, dude. It's been a fucking while since I've been in high school. So this does not help me. Yeah, give me that. It's like, what? Like, this homework's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna understand it because this is the learning for it. Oh my god, it's always fucking max volume. Shut up, Melissa. I'd rather learn this in class than from these people because this Pearson bullshit all has the same. Give me an example, please. Please give me an example. Okay. So are we multiplying them then? Because, alright, so 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 32. 32, and then we stretch it is x to the third, fourth. Okay. 32 times x to the 1/5 times x to the 1/3 time or equals oh, I guess it's 32. Sorry, I did that already. 32. Okay. So we add those two together. No, we cannot because they're not the same base. Was it not just 32? X to the 1. Would it not be x squared then? No, 40. 1/5 plus 1/3. They're different bases though. They're different bases though, asshole. What do I do then? They're different bases though. They're different bases though. I hate these examples. Fucking asshole. Are they just adding them anyway? What? Alright, there's dog. There's a dog outside. You can hear them barking. Just adding them anyway? Is it 2? 2/7? The 32 x/8, which is 1/4. 32x to the 1/4. Is that it? What is the issue? What isn't simplified? What isn't simplified? So lost. I don't. What did I do wrong? Did I do something wrong here? I multiply wrong? 4 times 8. 32. Okay, it's 32. 1/5 and 1/3. Well, 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8, so it's 2/8 then. 1/4. don't know what they want from me here. Huh. I don't want this anymore already. Is it? Oh shit! It's already 4:30. Damn. Fucks. That's so much time. Could I gotten through anything? I just need to understand what they're doing here, and they don't make sense. Adding it there. Mm. I just want to see what their answer is for this, but it means I have to redo the whole damn thing. I just hit check answer again. And I don't know what I did. I'm just gonna call out when multiplying instructions with the same base, the exponents are added. Same base. You add the exponents. 1 over 5, 1 over 3. 2 over 8, 1 over 4. Is it not 32? Are we... Is that what I'm doing wrong? They're the same base? No, they're... 12? Is 8/15ths? That's very annoying. Don't understand. Must have done something wrong. Don't know what. I don't even fucking... Whatever. 5 times 3. 15. 15 x to the what? Let's put it in my calculator because that seems to be the only way I'll get it right. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. That's a big ass random number. I do fraction to decimal. I get 2 over 3. Whatever. Whatever. I go back to this one, or do I stand on it? Was it perfect? Okay, let's think about it. So, 2. Actually, is it to the 5th, or is it? It's not. No, that doesn't help. It's not help. I just want to know what the fuck this answer is even supposed to look like. Just starting from the ring at the bottom. Need to see these. 7 to the 5th Get rid of 2. Do that. Get rid of 64. Six. See, I don't know how they get this. I simply do not know how they get this number. I'm coming back to this one. And they have this motion opens up. Thank you. This one. Fill in the blanks so that resulting statement is true. B plus blah blah blah. Square root of 3. Or the root of 3 plus root of 243 equals root of 3 plus 81 times 3 equals that. Oh. Square root. Nine. Right. I just don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at here. Oh man. Back to the meeting. Yeah, maybe that'll help me. Probably not, but maybe. Except that doesn't. Page doesn't help at all. Actually, looks nothing like the. Well, I really wish I didn't wait so long to do this because I just want to give up right now. Oh man, this is frustrating. Of 1 plus and it'd be 1 minus square. Conjugate gets the opposite or whatever. Thanks. There's rationalize the denominator of 5 over that. In there by the conjugate. Oh, it's over 15. But what's how does that mean anything for these questions now? What is it? Root of -216 is equal to -6 because I don't know. Uh, cube root, -2 shit, root, -6. So, -6 to the third. A 1/n equal to this. Fuck. Um, if that represents a real number where n is greater than or equal to 2, introduce a 1/n. You know that those words don't mean anything. Like I see the text, I'm reading it, but just one brain cell, just like no, it just doesn't mean anything. I don't understand. I don't even know how to say this properly. Is this the n root of a? Represents a real number where n is greater than or equal to 2. If that equals a real number, where that equal then where n is greater than or equal to 2 is an integer, then a to the 1 of the n is equal to the n root of a. Even if you get it right, it doesn't understand if you understand it exactly. And that's the problem. Sure, I'm getting these right here, but like I just don't understand it. When he me to add squad redeems? You mean like squat? Because that will never be happening. What am I looking at here? It's okay. No worries. I can barely focus on my own streams to begin with. I can't have stuff. I can't have stuff like distracting me from the streams. Okay. This from the blanks. This would be equal to do this. I think I can understand this. That's 6. Third. It's 6 to the third at least. I mean, this root is 6 to the third here. And then this is and 6 to the third is 1296. Or 216, sorry. Okay. Sure. I have to come back to this question now then. B plus that is equal to that plus that. Okay, is equal to that. So B plus 243. No. Thank you for the drink and stretch, by the way. I did do it. I didn't vocalize it. Now 243 is equal to that. 1 Uh, that exists. Decimal. What's on it? Base order. Mm-hmm. Subtract terms impossible. I've been exact. Just try to do 16. It's just decimal. And then the 128 version of said thing, like either, I'm pretty sure. No, it's also a decimal. Like, I get nothing from it. I don't know. I need to see what they give me. Turn of the third, square root of 2. Where do they get? Like, they need to show me how they solved it. Otherwise, I'm just I got nothing. Okay, it's 4. Uh, like, I just need some help here. Like, I can't ask my instructor because this site sucks. Pretty sure it doesn't even go to him. And the textbook doesn't do anything for me. I look at the video again. And they just give me letters again. Fucking mean nothing. Let me just watch this and see. The nth root of a equals b means that b to the nth equals a. So what to the what equals this? Mm. They're just saying N and A and N and blah 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 blah. See how they simplify this. So it's fine. So how do we get 128? Like what times what is 128? Is it 12 or something? I feel like I know. 8? 16. 16 times 8. So it's the third root of whatever. So and see, they've lost me. I don't know. What is that? I wish you guys could see it. I mean, I could make you see it, but I don't know. I don't know the problem. I don't know what I'm looking at. It's like something just disappears from the answer entirely, and they don't elaborate. Okay. Product of cube roots. Cube root of 8 times cube root of 5. It is a perfect cube. Okay, so that's why it disappears, I guess. So let me write it down. I'm losing track of things. So 128 is what? It's the here, sorry. The cube root of is it 16 and 8 I said? Oh, cube root of 16 times the cube root of 8. Oh, 16 is 16 a perfect cube? No. 8 a perfect cube? Is, right? Indeed it is. So it goes cube root of or it goes 2 cube root of 16. Yes. So this is 2 cube root of 16, I think. And this one is that the same? Because it's already 16, so wait a second. This is this, is it not? Is it 4 cube root of 16 then? No, not 116. Oh, it's equal to the. So what's the problem? What am I forgetting then? It says it's although it's equal to this answer. What am I missing now? What's the problem? I don't know what I'm doing wrong then. 8. Why is it 8? 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 Why though? Give me an answer. Why is it 8 though? saying me I'm wrong doesn't help me, man. Why is it that? What reason? Rector has 4 cube roots. Is it 8 AM? I don't understand. How? Yeah, I'm right there, but apparently it's fucking wrong. I don't know how they did that or why they did that. Like, it's simplifying it, sure, but like, that's his 3 cube root of 16 is not perfect, so. I literally just don't know why. Why did they do that? And the examples they give never actually help me here. And then I get this dumbass fucking thing here. What the hell is this? And I don't want to do this anymore. Probably fucking all on a test because even though it's there, it matter. It's simplified as possible. It's right there. Ugh. Why so fast? Tomorrow's my last day already, man. Work sucks. Like I didn't do anything on this break. Days went by too fast. I didn't 81, I guess. Just don't want to do this anymore. I really want to step away from it. I'm getting overwhelmed looking at this stupid shit. This is not fun. I don't want to do this. I have too much to do though. I can't not do it right now. I'm just screwing myself for tomorrow. I don't want to just leave a 1, 2 questions on this damn thing. I want to just do it. Have some fucking thing do it for me, because then I'm not gonna understand it. And it just screwed me so for the test. Quiz or whatever. I need to step away again. I'll be right back. gonna try to get through this homework and then I'm gonna take a break. For, well, probably from streaming today, but I'm gonna keep working on the homework anyway. But I just want to get through this shit because, god damn it, I didn't. And I'm supposed to do something later, so I won't be able to stream. I'll probably still be working on this. Okay. Fucking. So we have this. Solve. Enter. Reboot. Um. Say that fine. Root of. No, we need 1 times 9. Okay. Oh. What's it? Oh, am I wrong? Anyone's a perfect square. Is that it? Anyone's a perfect. Hey, Range. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. I am just banging my head against the wall right now. Honestly, appreciate the luck though. I am trying. We were on a good roll for a little bit, but going after this, I just fucking want to throw up. So ugly. Let me look at the example of bullshit again. Maybe there's something there that'll help me. Shit. This one so I can. We got that. Got the like example that matches, so I can kind of bring it side by side. So we got the number on the outside. The numbers are so much smaller than what I have as well, so it's like it's really just so unfair of an example because it's not anywhere as confusing as this one. It sucks because I was so close to the other one. I just don't understand that last step that they did. What they did to simplify it. Okay, so we got that. Yeah. Okay. What did they do here? 78. So what does the 78 come from? Subtract the a minus 3? Or shit. Anyone minus 3? Guess 78 that they. I can't do that with this one, right? Can I? Can I? I mean, yes, I could. Minus 96 is 633. They're doing over here. I don't know what they do over there. They just. It's a bunch of numbers. Alright, it's 27 times 3. Okay, yeah. Uh huh. Times 3, because get rid of. Get rid of. 3. Gotcha. I understand that. Separate them. Okay. That's the Cube root of 27 then? Is that it? No, I typed 24. 27. Nope, I sent it to the power now. Fuck me. 27. I typed 24 again. Holy shit. 27. Why do I keep typing 24? Am I stupid? Okay. Okay. That's 3. I see that. I understand that. It's 3 times that mess. You just subtract it? Is that it? Yes. What about the 78? Oh, well, this one's wrong, so it's not. Oh. I don't know what they. Why do they show me an example that's wrong? That doesn't help me. Let's try this. What times what is 729? It's 8 and 9. Right. So, how do they write this? 8. Or not 8 and 9. It's 81 times 9. 81 times. I like that. You get 3, 5 times 9. Plus 596. Okay, so 96. That's not perfect, so we gotta bring that down. Times 12 is 96, so 8. Uh, 8 times 12. Okay, and that does what for me? Get the 81. 81 we could square, but it's not perfect, right? So, is that not the right number then? Is that not the number I need? Is that the case? I need something that is squareable. Or is the cube root of 20? What can I cube here? 129. Wait a second. I just had it. What happened? Where'd it go? I just had it. I just had it. No, 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 no. Come back. Come back to me. Where was it? What number did I just have? I had it. No, where'd it go? Where'd the number go? What number did I just use? Man. Hold on. 720 or 27 times 27 equals 729. 27 times 27 are both perfect cubes. Which gets me 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. 9 plus root of 8 is 2. 10 plus 2 cube root 12. 11 cube root 12. Oh. Not cube root. I just keep. Fuck. Yeah, fuck you for this answer. Look, I hate this shit. Begin by shipping that flying your trimmer. Then rewrite the problem. Thanks. I did that. The fuck? What do you mean? Fucking. What did I do wrong here? I need a walkthrough of this question. Helping me. Ugh, I hate this shit. I hate it, man. I don't know what I'm doing. They just don't help me. Oh man, I was right there. What did I do wrong? I literally am right there. What am I doing wrong? I did it again. Fuck. I'm right there, man. I'm right there. What is this last step that I'm missing? How do you. What? Where did he get that? Where does he get the 3 from? I don't know. I don't get it, man. I don't know. I don't know. I give up. I'm fucking done. I just do not know how he got that. And there's just nothing to help me here. And of course, and now it's like breaking out again, man. Still have so many more to go, dude. Why does it look like I'm only done one thing? Oh, hey, at least he gives me infinite attempts on the quiz. That's nice, I guess. Oh, I cannot do this anymore, man. Fucking hell. Maybe the other stuff I'll understand better. I don't know. It's just going to the next stuff. I'll come back to that, I guess. God damn it, I'll have to ask my professor about it tomorrow. I'm just getting frustrated and banging my head against the wall on something that isn't making sense to me is like not good. Not helping me at all. Let's just try this. Maybe these simpler questions will help me get back in the groove. Oh yeah, the expression. Or state the expression is not a real number. Well, square root of 81 is 9. Nine. Square root of, okay, that is not a real number. Or fuck. Wait, what? Oh, it is. I'm just stupid. What am I doing? Okay, now this is the one that's not a real number. Sorry. It's one that's in there like that. Well, that's 100 minus 64. 36, square root of 36. 6. Square root of 169 minus 1. You do the roots first, or 13 minus 12, right? 1. B, what the fuck am I doing? 1. 3x 20. So, no. Give me the square root. We do this first. Is it 21? 63. You know, this one, I'm not sure. 3x and 1x. We go from here. Excuse me. Use the product rule to simplify this following. Well, that's right. I might be able to understand this because it's the freaking review. But let me just walk through this. First, use A times B equals A and B to combine them. Yeah, okay. Correct answer is square root of 63. Okay, I forgot the square root symbol. My fault. Okay. We combine the radicands. We get which is fucking 12. 12x squared. Okay, right. Stop. Get that. Factor 12. Okay. What is the most perfect square factor? I don't know what is the perfect square factor. Greatest perfect square factor. Um I have no idea. Got it right, but I don't really understand it. Is it two? What was the product? Four and another two x squared. So irritating. Like I get it. Four times three is what? Like that's not what I did in my head. I don't know what they fucking want. Sometimes it doesn't make sense. I hate math so fucking much. Fucking wish I didn't have to do this shit. Like, did I have to pick this stupid major? Hey, every one of this major, I'm fucking stuck with it. It doesn't fucking make sense. Ugh. You like this? This means nothing to me. This is just extra words to confuse me. Like I get it's like, and then the real number shit. Like I hate it. Ugh. This is miserable. Or then not just be x, since it cancels out basically. Because the root of 4 is equal to 2, and the root of x squared is equal to x. Substitute these results to simplify the expression. So it's 4x times root of 3. Go fuck yourself. What do you mean? What do you mean wrong? What do you mean that's wrong? Oh, sorry. Fucking 2. My mistake. Ugh. Let's try it again, I guess. And I've already forgotten everything they've shown me. Buh, 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 buh. Can I get a square out of this? 42. 4. Not that. Not that one either. What the fuck? Not that. I guess I just need to know these fucking squares, and I don't. So sorry. I don't know them off the top of my head, so I have to keep guessing. Ugh. Nope. 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 I don't know. I don't know. 21 isn't. So what the hell? I actually have no idea. Let's try this. Help me solve this again. What did I do? First use that. Combine them. Right. Combine them. Okay. Right. Okay. Sure. Greatest perfect square factor. And then I don't know. I gotta guess. What is the perfect square factor? Uh, like, is there a trick I'm supposed to know how to figure this out? Am I just guessing and going through them one by one on my calculator? I don't know. That's not it. Oof. I'm missing here. I literally just saw the example. This like page is so bright. My room's like kind of getting. My eyes are going. I don't know. Um, find greatest perfect square factor. The greatest perfect square factor before the prime factorization of the number. Well, that's helpful. Then multiply the prime factors that have even exponents. For example, to find the greatest prime, I have 180. Its factorization is 2. But what the fuck are you showing me? 2 to the second times 3 to the second times 5. A video there. What? Okay. Is there a way to find let's start with the perfect square. Perfect square. I don't know what prime factorization is. Need to factor out perfect. Oh man. $52. I too. 126. Can't. Six. Perfect square. 36 and 6. 36. 36. So remember I did this before. So how did I write this? Square factor is 1. And it was 36 times what? 6. 36 times 7. 36 x squared is 1x squared. The product of didn't we just do this? Didn't it tell me this was wrong last time? Did not set. I just checked. It's 7, is it not? What's the issue? Oh no. I don't know, man. I did it and now I just forget it. I just don't know. How is that wrong? Uh ugh, man. Like I just need help. Fucking need help. I don't know what to do. No one I can talk to at home for this. Is it just 7? Is it really? Because I thought last time I why is it just 7? I guess okay. Thank you. I don't know. My mind just doesn't work right. It's just I don't understand everything. than fucking X. Yeah, it is. 37. Like I need to like. I don't know why it's confusing me so much. Take a picture. Okay, now we would do the actual question. It's for some reason helping me sub. It doesn't actually have that as an answer because it wasn't painstaking enough to get it out of me. Even with it right in front of me, I still just don't get it. The whole rigmarole again now. So we get this. So 6 times 30. 180. We combine them. So it's actually 6x times 30x under thingy then the root. Oh, and to the second, right? Or not to the second there, but it's 180 to the second after that. X to the second. Okay. Back to the 180. $36 and 5. Or the greatest perfect square factor is 36, 5. Then we get root 36 x to the second times 5. Okay, now I'm starting to get it now. Yeah. Okay. And the square root of 36. So I mean, now is 6. So it's 6x root 5. X root 5. Oh, let's fucking go. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Range. Appreciate you. Holy shit. And that was only 6 of fucking 24. Oh, yeah. At least we got through that one. I don't know if I can get through this, the rest of this page. But we'll see. We'll try. Okay, use the product rule to simplify. 17. X is 17. So I mean, wouldn't this be x to 15? Okay, that would be too easy. Okay, try. Okay, times x. Right, so we take the one out. Find the. Get this. Unite of this. You take an simplify, split it so that one factor is the greatest of the radicand. Okay, so it's 1 in that number. The greatest square factor of x is square of the one only. 11 to is the product. A second is equal. Let me just try. So that's x 17th. I want to bring it out, then it becomes x to the 16th times x, right, underneath of it. That's the case. Great. 16. And it's what? 8. Because then it's x8. Times 4 x4 times the square root. X to the 4th. You saying that's the answer? X to the 4th. Okay, yeah, x to the 16th. Yeah, I had that. Still slow. Where they write it? It's not helpful. This just looks like a jumble of shit here. It just is a mess. It's multiple different spots. I'm lost. Square root x is 17. Square root x is 16. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, range. I appreciate it, but I like they just a lot of numbers to me. I think I'm just getting overwhelmed. It's just not processing for me. Like I'm looking at it and it just isn't. It isn't. Let me just try this to see if they figure out I can. Okay, yes, I did this part. X to the 60. X to X No, it's just X. Or fuck you. What the fuck? Forget that. Piss me off. I fucking god. Damn this fucking. God damn it. Fuck you for being your exact bullshit. God damn it. Ugh. You're not allowed to make a mistake, and I just fucking. Ugh. I fucking not. Sorry. Damn it. X to the 18th times X. Yes, that's what I meant to type earlier. Or I put the thing above it. Oh, because they already put one. I didn't even see that. GCF. The greatest square factor. See, they just too many things that are. I'm gonna. 9. Okay. And then this just a mess. How do they do that? The product rule of radical simplify. It's mean nothing. Cool. Mm-mm. Listen, yeah. And like, what the fuck? What? I don't know what I'm supposed to. Okay, you just type X to the 9 again? Hey, fine. X to 19 equals 9 X. Okay. Cancels it out. Yep. X to 18 times X. Doing it again, it's 9 again. Comes X to 9. And X, and this cancels out. 6, 9. What's I don't want to look at this stuff anymore. I don't. And this is the fucking learning. Like, if I, oh, this is the homework. Ugh, so annoying. Frustrating. I'm supposed to know this from somewhere, fucking sometime. Use the product rule, whatever that is. Whatever rule you made up, like, and just some random rule that I'm supposed to remember. Everything is on my note pages that they gave me that we went over. Product rule, product rule. Product rule. Product rule. Polynomials. Polynomials. Rational expressions. These are rational exponents, not expressions. Exponents. Product rule. What is the product rule? Product rule is b to the m times b to the n equals that. What? Sure. How does the product rule affect that in any like saying I should add these together, but yeah, sure. But 10, business 10, uh 6 and 9. Okay. Fine. Just finance. Excuse me. Nine. What is the largest perfect square that can be factored out? Not just like x or, x squared. I mean, sorry. Excuse me. 3, 10, 4 separate radical. Perfect square variable factor. They're separate radical. Oh, I don't know why. It says use the product rule. Product rule was just this simple little rule, like that plus that is that. So it's 3, 3, multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, and well, they're not the same base though. Are they? Same base. Sorry. Got sidetracked. And then we get DMs on Twitter. Wasn't expecting that. I'm also stalling. I'm stuck. Use the product rule. Okay. Perfect square variable factor under a separate radical. How is it? Under the root and then 3 and then it becomes. I don't know. Give me the next step, please. I don't. 3x6. That is what it is. Oh my god. That cuts us out from that. So take out the 2. Where does the x come from? Oh. X squared. And all the knowledge I just had on that from the example gone. It's just gone. I like do the help me out, and then I just don't remember anything from it. I think I need to stop for today, or for now at least. I'm not making any progress. Oh man, annoying. I'll just have to finish it tomorrow. Well, thanks for joining, everybody. Appreciate those who tried to help. Sorry, I'm not a really good. I'm just not good. I'm just not good. Thank you though, Range. I do appreciate you trying to help. I just am really bad at it, and once I get overwhelmed, it's hard for me to continue because like I'm just like banging my head over like the same thing over and over, and I'm just not like getting anywhere, you know. But I really do appreciate it. Yeah, I should have given myself more time though. Is the thing. I procrastinated, and it's due tomorrow at like midnight. So now I have to get it done today and tomorrow. Which, like, sure, all I have is class tomorrow. I'll have time to ask some questions, but it's my own fault for being behind on it. I was sick, but like to be fair, it's still my own fault. I had plenty of time. I'll just have to lock in and study more. The only positive thing is the first test is not coming up yet. I think I still have some time before that happens. Only big thing, and it's not very big, is I have a quiz tomorrow night, and that's like a test. But what I looked at, looks like I have unlimited attempts on it, so I can keep trying and trying and trying until I get 100. So I guess I'll just beat it into me over trying and trying and trying. But appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for clowning around. Bye bye. I'll probably rate somebody.